How to authenticate your domain in SendGrid. So first, just simply log in on your SendGrid website. And once you're logged in, just simply navigate to the settings option here on the left navigation menu. Then click on it. Then scroll down till you see the sender authentication option. So just simply click on that. And once you're there, you will see the option to authenticate your domain. So just simply click on that again, and you will be brought right here. And once you're here, you will need to select your DNS host from the list. And if your provider isn't listed, you just simply need to scroll down until you see the other host option right there. Next is you'll be asked if you also want to create a link branding. So it's recommended to select yes, as this will customize the links and your emails to use your domain, further improving your branding and deliverability. But if you don't want it, just simply click on no right here, then click next. After that is you will need to enter the domain you send emails from. And under this advanced settings, you can customize your DKIM selector, but it's safe to leave the default settings. After this part, SendGrid will now generate several DNS records that you need to add to your domain host. Then you will need to log into your domain hosting service in a separate browser tab. Navigate to the DNS management or DNS record section, then carefully add each record that SendGrid provided. So you will typically create a new CNAME record for each one. Then just simply verify the DNS records and you are now good to go. So it can take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to propagate across the internet, but it often happens within a few minutes. If it doesn't verify immediately, just simply wait a little while and try again. And once verified, you will see a confirmation message. And your domain will be listed as authenticated in the sender authentication section. And that is how you basically authenticate your domain in SendGrid.